What if I told you a single misfired cannon shot helped end an empire? Year 1453, Constantinople. For weeks, Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II hammers the walls with giant cannons. He is 19, obsessed with conquering the city no army has taken. Inside, Constantine XI commands a few thousand defenders. Merchants fight beside monks. Food is running out. Outside the Golden Horn, a massive chain blocks the harbor. The city's last secret weapon, the chain holds. Mehmed drags ships over greased logs into the harbor. Defenders are attacked from sea and land. One night, a Byzantine cannon fires at the Ottomans. The shot misses and smashes into the weakened wall. Stones crack and a small breach appears. Constantine rushes troops there, but lacks enough men. On May 29th, Mehmed orders a final assault. Janissaries storm the damaged sector. The emperor dies fighting in the melee. Constantinople falls. The Byzantine Empire ends. Ottomans control the crossroads of Europe and Asia, igniting the age of exploration that shapes our world map today.